Hi, Zach. What you doing? Are you excited to play? Yeah? Oh, look at your footsies. You're a little tired. You haven't had a nap today. More than half an hour. I tried. Oh, goodness. You didn't need one, though, do you? You have lots of energy. Yeah. Yeah. You're cute. Yeah. Jasmine, gonna give Mama a smile? Yeah. You talk to Mama? Huh? Boop, boop. Mm-hmm. Kicking your feet too, huh? Yeah. You want to show Grandma you still got your red hair? Still got the red hair. Yeah, turn over. Look at all that hair you got. All that red hair. Mm-hmm. There's the Zachers. Yeah. Aw, look at that smile. Yeah. Look at that smile. Are you going to go see Grandma in a month or two? In about 6 weeks, huh? Yeah. Gonna go see Grandma in Pennsylvania? Yeah. And Grandma in Florida, huh? Yep. Won't that be fun? Okay. Say bye-bye.